Today we are going to make together caprese, without mozzarella and without pizza. I'm talking about another super traditional Italian recipe, and this time it's a sweet recipe. This traditional cake, typical of Campania region, is not just delicious, but is also gluten-free. Indeed, the main ingredients is almond flour, the most common combo with chocolate, of course. Let's get started. First of all, let's melt at bain-marie the dark chocolate. Meanwhile, let's work together the softened unsalted butter with the sugar and the egg yolks. We are going to whip firmly the whites later on. When the mixture results nicely creamy, add the almond flours. Our chocolate is nicely melted. I just let it cool down a little bit, filling the pot with some cold water. Then I'm going to add it little by little to our mixture of yolks, sugar and butter. In a clean bowl, whip firmly, with a pinch of salt, the egg whites. Add the whites to our mixture and mix gently with movement from the bottom to the top. Time for the final ingredients. Add baking powder and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Alright, I have here a baking pan that I previously buttered and floured. So now I'm gonna simply to pour in the mixture. Level the surface. And we are ready to bake our cake at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit, conventional oven, for 50 minutes up to an hour. While our caprese cake is baking, I want to tell you quickly the history of this delicious dessert. As for many other sweet recipes in the world, it seems that also caprese cake has been created by mistake. In 1920, on Capri Island, the pastry chef Carmine Di Fiore has forgotten to add flowers to the mixture to make a chocolate and almond cake. Nowadays, caprese cake can be found in the whole Campania region, not only in its chocolate version, but also with the fresh lemon or citrus taste. When our cake is almost done, it's important to do the toothpick stuzzicadente test in order to see if inside is still humid. And that's what we are looking for a nice baked cake, but humid inside. Let the caprese cake cool down completely. Then remove it from the baking pan, turning it upside down on a serving plate. The decoration for this cake is really simple. Sprinkle the surface with some icing sugar and, if you like, a few petals of almonds. Time to slice our caprese cake. I can't wait, really, it smells like, oh my god, incredibly gorgeous. It's super soft. And the smell of chocolate together with almonds, oh my god. Okay, here we are. It's really soft and as you can see, it's nicely humid inside. The smell is incredible. You can preserve this cake in a container in a dry place up to 3-4 days, but I'm sure that it will not last that long. I hope you enjoyed this sweet traditional Italian recipe. Let me know with a comment down below what you think, if you ever eaten it and if you're gonna try it. We are gonna see each other next week with, of course, a new Italian recipe, and buon appetito!